Mr. Cannabis.
In an electrical system, increasing either the current or the voltage will result in higher power. The current, or amps, is always equal to the power, or wattage, divided by the voltage. In other words, amps equals watts divided by volts. Let's use an example to see how 120 volts versus 240 volts affects the equation. The example grow room has 10,000 watts of electrical power requirements. At 120 volts, the garden would require 83.3 amps. If that same garden was wired for 240 volts, it would only require 41.66 amps. So the real benefit of operating a grow room at 240 volts is that it allows the grower to operate more lights, wattage, on a given amperage. So the 240 volt system produces the same power but with half the current. This is an advantage that comes from using less current to make the same amount of power. So resistance in electrical wires consumes power, and the power consumed increases as the current going through the wire increases. So using a higher voltage to produce the current can make the electrical systems more efficient.